Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. Tuesday, July 17th, the year 2018. Let's talk trading. Same trades, different day. As you know, I've stated, maybe once or twice that, good trading is boring. It's repetitive. It's the same thing day after day. So I just thought I should maybe say it once again for those who are just tuning in. Because as people, humans, some of us have the tendency to seek out something new, something different, or just more. And that can lead us astray. It can lead us away from what we really need to do, which is make money by doing the same thing over and over, so long as it keeps working. In the long run, it's not any one particular trade, it's many trades throughout the session, throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. It's the overall score. So let's move on. And same money and risk management, different day. You don't change your money and risk management, every trade or every day. No, you stick to this. Maybe you adjust this at the end of the week or at the end of the month or quarter, but there's not much tweaking to do here. And let's see, yesterday, I believe we were around 112.50. You can see the yen's pushing up here on the month. And on the weekly, you can see here it's trying to break out of that high. Last week's high, we're 16 pips off the current weekly high. So we're in the weekly rat zone right there. And just so you know, the rat zone's the same for the daily and the weekly. We don't change those parameters, meaning the 20 pips. And those just tuning in, once again, the weekly gaps have filled. So you see, different day, same trade. Hopefully you get the positive results. On the daily, you can see here we broke out of that upper wick zone. Currently 19 pips above it, but you see there was a potential of 35 pip profit there. Looking at the daily ranges, wow, the pound New Zealand, 255. What's up with the pound yen? Why is it lagging? It used to be the beast. There's got to be something going on there. Not sure what it is. But you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over 100 with a possible, well, it has to move up, but possible 9 pip, 9 over, 9 different pairs over 100 pips. Tripping over my tongue. You can see here, open the low, couple of big ones there. And here, the buy zone, there was one entry for a win, possible second. Right here, it looks like you probably either took a loss there or came close to it here. No, that's not. No, you didn't. You came. There's the short zone. So it's possible. Then again here, or is it possible if you stuck in that trade or got in here, took off for the win. Rat zone happening live, no hairy hindsight. and we hit the pivot. Still haven't hit the weekly pivot. Maybe it's heading to weekly R1. We'll just have to wait and see. There you go. Took out the pivot. Still have a missed pivot here, and then 4 from earlier in the year. Price action. Talk about same trade, different day. What can I say? 3 ball, red at the line, profit to be had. 3 ball at the bottom, green at the line, profit to be had. 3 ball, red at the line, profit to be had. Now, the question is, something as simple as this, why does anybody seek more? A lot of times I get the question, well, what should I do starting out? What trade, what method should I use? What indicators? Well, anybody who knows me, it's just like horizontal line. It's that simple. Simple rule of thumb. H1 candle color at the horizontal line. Hard to go wrong. And see, even right now, we've got buying going on. But it's only moved back 1.4 pips. So from this point, that's when the buying started. That's when the bid moved above the lowest ask right there. That was the lowest ask at the time. Okay, now we got 2.2 pips. We had a lot of selling, so we get some buying coming back. So when the bid moves above the lowest ask, that's when we have buying. Now, if this ask moves below the highest bid, which is 112.775 at the time, then we've got selling happening. But just using the 3 ball and some horizontal lines and candle color, that'll get you in the ballpark. Oh, and I always forget to do this. Sometimes I remember, but these are the indicators on this chart. But, you know, the lower indicator, don't really need it. You don't even really need any of this stuff here. You don't even really need the spread dots. It just helps pinpoint the entries. You just need the 3-level ZZ and the sweet spots. That one and that one, both of which I've modified just to make it a little more user-friendly. I am not the originator. I just made it slightly better. All this buying and it's only moved 2.2 pips. And here we go once again. H1 candle color. We used the 5 lines from the previous daily session. Low, open, close, mid, high. Trading with H1 candle color at the line can be profitable. Once again, same trades, different day. Yeah, it's boring. I mean, I don't know, maybe that's why I don't have more views, because it's the same thing day after day. Maybe if I throw up something new, then people are going to tune in. Ooh, what's new? But I mean, that's not what trading's about. It's not about finding something new. It's about finding something profitable that you can use to increase the size of your portfolio and drain the banks, of course. Oh, we've got a holo opportunity here. $1 Canadian. Right there, it's 2 pips above. So there we go. Right there. Possibly it's moving up. So maybe the next hour, top of the hour here, we got 25 minutes. We can look to short dollar Canadian. And Euro Canadian too is in the holo. And the Aussie Canadian. I wonder if there was some Canadian news. And this is just the dashboard. Somebody was asking about the dashboard and what you have to do. No, you don't have to have different, you just put one dashboard up. And I just wanted to show, yeah, see the holo right there for the H1. One that's within 2 pips, it'll show you in the magenta color. That's my, where is it? Okay, that's the color level. That's the threshold color. And threshold max and min colors here. And the wick zone, once again, same trade, different day. Price doesn't like staying in the wick zone. Right there, it popped out. If you hung in there, bam, you took a loss. But here, you can see, if you had taken this short here, you probably should have taken some profit or scratched it. And right here, it broke out, profit to be had. So you can see right here, does it win every time? No. But does it give you opportunity to take pips more times than not? Yes. And here we have the holo right there. There was the highest open. And you can see we're about 6 pips to the good. Here's another holo opportunity there. This is the lowest open, highest open. That's why it's called holo. And you can see here, not really that much tick action. And at the inventory reduction bars, there was a long, there was a long, here was a long, there was a short here. It looks like we put it on the H1 time frame right there. So you see that would be the next short opportunity, except actually no, this is one here on the M15. So you can see here the short was put in. So right now you'd be pretty much flat if you took that short. Daily, weekly, monthly, open, high, low. Once again, H1 at the lines. There you go. It's not that difficult. And the Einstein line, since I've opened the chart, you can see this is what's happened. Not much. Okay, fellow traders, different day, same trade, different day. It's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. Get out there and drain the banks.